Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to type the shrug face on Word. So pretty much what you're going to have to do is the first thing is this character right here. So for that character you need to type in 00AF and then you need to click Alt X. Alright, next what you need to do is type the backslash, so which is above the enter key on the right hand side of the keyboard. So click that. And then you need underscore, which is shift, and then the character next to 0, so that's that. And then open bracket, which is shift 9. And then now you need this character. So for this character, you need 30 and then C4. And then you need to click Alt X after that. Okay. So now what you need to do is you need to click Shift and then 0. So for the close bracket. And I know that bracket looks a little weird. That's because it's in the wrong font. It's in MS Gothic and this one's in Calibri. So we can change that later. Um, for that, for the next character, you need shift and then underscore again. So, and then after that, you need a forward slash this time. So the character next to shift or the question mark button. And then you need this character to start again. So if you can copy paste it or type 00AF and then Alt X. Now, all you need to do is change the font to Calibri, which is right here. And there you go, you have the shrug face on Word. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button to right down below. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.